It's me! Hey, man. Hey!
As best as I can say it, I have your attention now, and that's all that matters.
Murder!
I don't think they're ready.
Like Adele said after some bad Chinese one night, this the dirtiest shit I ever made in my life.
Don't think they're ready.
Apple a day, keep the doctor away. But no one told that to Steve Jobs' head. Like trailer trash that ain't got the money to waste. It's going down like pregnant Peggy in a local staircase. I can't stop. Songs backed up in heavy stock, which means I got more hot 16s than all Kelly got and whatnot. Nobody fucking with me. Hell's locked and my ass tighter than the biggest guys in the cell block. Cause where I'm from, they walk up with a gun and ask for what's in your wallet. Like Capital One, so if you come round for funds, try and sell your blow, you lose all your weight, then die. Anna Nicole, but yo, my bitch or my other bitch, right? Both got fur in they mouth. Legal dog fight. I slide out, hit them with the wide out. They never saw it coming like a black man in the White House. Time out, telling all the friends when we smash. He touched me right there, but she ain't never been to Neverland Ranch. You think you bad, you don't stand a chance. 4 or 5, I had the hardest motherfucker do the Carlton dance. I'm never tender. Even if my weapon's a feather, my temper. Just remember contenders from the head to the center. Get hot quicker than nuke dinners. I'm shining like shoe spitters. Colder than flu shivers. And I'm jamming like a full printer. Legit sicker than shit. You might just get up out of pool skimmer. Simmer. And let me brain thinky. I'm trying to take over the world, right, Pinky? Like a bully at an arcade said, all you motherfuckers gon' give me some cred. I want the game like a fat man newbie. I'ma go in and kill it like Colorado at a Batman movie, truly. Tell scientists it shows I get black and white hoes gravitating towards my dick. And they say I'm like Martin Luther the way I preach it. Cause after I bang, they speechless. Probably shouldn't have said that, but I lost the receipt, so lady, take it back. Fuck it, the public loves it. I tried to be a Justin Bieber fan, but I just couldn't cut it. I guess it's not important, but bitches can't forgive me. I'm like the first abortion. I bought all I could afford, and cause it was foreign. We stronger than the room that the hoe got stored and I bought and scoring. Bitches, they can't get like doggone it. Got a huge to-do list, no chores on it. She say lick it, I say I don't know you freak. She said I did it for you. Yeah, but everybody know me. My music stay loud, bad neighbor. Plus I only drop killers, gas chamber. Hungry as bear attacks, growling on tracks. I'll say something about your mother and I'll never take it back. In fact, she on a period, still wanted bedrock. Told her I got Netflix, can't fuck with the red box. Then she said something that irked me. Said she died, she fucked Eminem. I called her Brittany Murphy.
That's fucked up. They be like, who that be? Then I be like, that be me. Guy that's always on some grass like some dog pee, and then get graphic. Show you plastic and get busy on your asses. Then you slaughtered by the masses like a king who upped the taxes. Cause I'm
cocky and rude, a spot you pursue. Body you dude, I grab more shells and then I body you too. The shot of you do, a crop for your crew. You stop breathing and they go home craving sloppy joes for some reason. I got some girls that I'm poking, but I ain't fucking with y'all assholes. I ain't Frank Ocean. I refuse to lose when I'm infused with booze. And you ain't going nowhere, Katie Holmes. I'm a Tom Cruise. So this is nothing to be compared to. I'm higher than Lady Gaga hairdo. Then pretend that she's standing on a chair too. My shit's sweeter than Winnie the Bear poop. Here's the really white one. Look, see, I get away with murder every track.
I do the clap.
No fiddling. They say that I'm off the hook like Zimmerman. I'm a killer, man. Fill 'em in.
See, it's not a music metaphor. I'm more than a monster. Mainly molded murder, murky-minded, made mobster. Petaberry buns, batter, bitch, boxers, then Blockberry burner. Bring your body to a boxcar.
And look what down fans make, no shocker, I'm buzzing. Clown handshake, I can't thank the weed. Got the damn stank, I'm stuck in the attic a couple of weeks. That's Anne Frank, and I regret giving this blazing a try. Cause I'm so high, I feel like Billy Mays right when he died. And I spit fire, Holmes, I ain't bragging. In this Game of Thrones, it's all about dragons, man. And you know God helps me write my shit, cause there's like no way in hell you could write like this. Stitch, I pray suited, therefore never fray. If poetry can blow brains, I write Hemingway, and it hits your ear like Hallie's spouse it be, with rhymes crazier than Britney's kids about to be. Thanks for doubting me, you just allowing me to be Rick James, and haters just a couch to me.
Tyler Murphy!
Obama said he changed something, fuck's that mean? He's seen better changes in fact-themed drag queens. That's me. Seen better changes in Charlie Sheen, better changes in broken drop fucking iPhone screens. So Siri, who about to set the bar?
Novies bring in change like a Samuel L. Jackson swear jar.
Damn, that's hard. I can't think like an amateur. I drive, so I put biggies and pox in my passenger. How this sound? It's just me up on the thing. I put it down like a Leo on a plane. Second best white rapper going for the first, and you can bet your life that I'm putting in the work. Fuck, Philly. You ain't fucking with me, man. Bars. It's me. Yeah. See, most people don't know I'm a hypnotist on the side. Watch this.